was here. Mystery drones over Denmark spark security concerns. The Danish police are investigating a strange sighting of 20 drones flying over the port of Køge, southwest of Copenhagen. Witnesses reported the drones disappearing into the bay at high speed, leaving authorities puzzled. Bam! When officers arrived, they spotted 4 large drones still in the area, but no one had permission to fly them. No permission granted. There's many people sharing this, and it looks highly reliable. You see the officers, so I will move back so you can see the officer here. No joke here, no joke. And the drones there. Bam! You see? Bam! Just happened yesterday. So this night, so we are on Europe. It was tonight, last night. And you can see the drones here flying on Denmark. And the police watching them, shocked. I wonder what they are thinking. Bam! There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Thank you, Rutori, for our precious supporter and community member, an explorer, for highlighting us this event on Denmark. Just happened. They are saying the drones belong to China and United States, not NHI. My opinion is Earth and NHI drones. Yes, there's a strong hypothesis around that rising right now. All the hypotheses are shifting to more and more to the human-made stuff here. Something weird. We'll see. We'll see what happens now that the new president will be here to talk about it and to put action on it as well. I'm curious about it. Very curious.